Are you one of those people that gets frustrated with the audio-visual equipment in the conference rooms? My name is Toe Narcy, and today I'll be your guide through the wonderful world of AV technology. Don't worry, I promise to make this as painless as possible. Let's get started. The first step to any successful meeting, besides coffee, is turning on the AV system. Approach the panel, select your intended source, and voila, you're in business. If you love magic, you'll love the barcode click share. It's wireless and makes sharing your screen as easy as pressing a button. Literally. Plug the barcode device into your laptop's USB-C port or USB-A with an adapter, because technology likes to keep things complicated. Wait for the button to light up, then press it to start sharing. If the ClickShare app is installed, great. If not, your laptop will politely ask you to download it. Just say yes. Remember, each room has 2 barcodes, so you and a colleague can connect simultaneously. However, only one of you can control the room's cameras and microphones, so choose wisely. Some people love the reliability of a wired connection. If that's you, here's how to make it work. First thing you need to do is select wired BYOD from the control panel. Use the HDMI and USB-A cables located in the Room B floor box. Make sure to adjust your laptop settings. For audio input and output, select Echo Canceling Speakerphone, QSYS. For camera, select InnoGenie Share 2U. And just like that, you're connected. Old school style, but still fancy. Now, let's talk microphones. You want people to actually hear you, right? Ceiling microphones will make sure remote participants can hear every word. Yeah, even the awkward silences. Wireless handhelds and body packs are for in-room audio. Good news, the microphones are already assigned to each room. Better news, if you combine rooms, all the microphones work together. Even better news, you can mute people from the control panel, in case things get out of hand. Ever been on a video call and half the room is cut off? Yeah, we're avoiding that. In Room B, you have 2 camera options. The room camera for when you want a full view, or the presenter camera for when you want the spotlight. Press home for a wide shot, or framing to let the camera do its thing and adjust to the number of people. For rooms A and C, it's a 1-camera deal. If you combine rooms, you'll need to grab a second USB-A adapter and select AVer 550 from your video settings. And if you want to control the cameras manually, grab the remote, because yes, we are still using remotes in 2025. Finally, shutting things down. When your meeting is over, turn off the display by using the control panel. And if you're in Room B, you can also press the power button to put the system to sleep. Leaving the system on when no one is using it isn't ideal, so be sure to power the system off before you go. And there you have it, the AV system demystified. Now go forth and have the best looking, best sounding meetings ever. If you have questions or tech issues, email pm@scheerpartners.com. But if it's an emergency, maybe call first. Thanks for watching, and remember, the real magic of AV is not being the person that says, "How do I share my screen again?"